He slings stone, slams ceramic, and pushes porcelain. He's Jimmy the Tile Guy. No installations too tough. Kitchen and bath remodeling and more. Pro service. Affordable rates. Jimmy the Tile Guy. Call 923-1188 or visit jimmythetileguy.com.
Well, greetings, interwebs. I'm here today with
Jimmy the Tile Guy.
What the heck? Anyway, Jimmy Tile Guy. And can you tell us a little about yourself and your company?
Yeah, my name's Jimmy, and I do tile.
And what do we got going on here?
2 bathrooms with tub surrounds. One has an outside floor. Pretty basic subway tile. The walls ain't perfect. Tile isn't perfect. I'm not perfect, but it's going to look great.
Yeah, it's about as square as a basketball, but we're making it work.
True.
Okay, cool. Well, let's get right to it. Thanks.
Day 2.
Well, greetings, interwebs. So we're heading back out of the house. Gonna see the tile guys again today. They got most of the front bathroom shower enclosure done. They'll knock it out today and then get into the master bath and then get the floors done. They should have all of that finished today. It was a little tedious in the whole bathroom. Turned out the wall wasn't exactly square. I mean, it looks square just looking at it, but until you start actually working on it, putting tile on it and stuff, you don't notice. Oh, here comes a fire truck. You don't notice how not flat and how not square it is. The main side wall had like a bulge in it, and the 2 corners weren't quite, I mean, they were slightly wider than 90 degrees. The soap dishes, he had to put a whole lot of extra plaster and a little wedge to hold those up, and they couldn't really finish until they dry. So he'll finish that today. So yeah, that's where we are. See you at the house.
Day 3.
Well, greetings, interwebs. So here we are, another day of tile. Derek and
Jimmy the Tile Guy.
got another day done. Today they did the floor in the master bathroom. You can see it looks really nice, very classy. Those little black accents completely change the look of the room. So here's the floor of the master bathroom. See, it's got that nice white tile, the little black diamond. It gives it more of a classy, elegant look than just a plain white floor. And of course, subway tile in the shower. Blue tape, always nice. Of course, this is where the toilet will go. And that's the master bath. Okay, here we are in the hall bath. See, they got all that nice subway tile done. It'll come back next week, do the grouting. And sometime next week, they're supposed to start on the flooring. It's getting down to the wire.
He slings stone, slams ceramic, and pushes porcelain. He's Jimmy the Tile Guy. No installations too tough. Kitchen and bath remodeling and more. Pro service. Affordable rates. Jimmy the Tile Guy. Call 923-1188 or visit jimmythetileguy.com.
What is this man doing here?